Welcome back to Hellman's Kitchen. My name is Stephen Hellman. I'm a U.S. Coast Guard veteran chef. Tonight's episode, we're gonna run a little different. I've got a special guest on the show. I'll be doing this every few episodes. Got my lovely wife with me.
Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Hellman, and today what we are going to cook, or should I say bake today, is a vegan brownie with peanut butter ice cream and a berry compote.
Exactly, it's super good, and I bet you can't guess the couple ingredients that are not in it. Lauren, can you?
No egg.
No sugar.
No chocolate.
And no butter. It's super good. Pretty decent for you too.
So the first step is to butter the pan, and then while I'm doing this, Steve will be mixing the first ingredients into the mixing bowl.
All right, so we're gonna toss a couple of our wet ingredients to start this going. We're gonna get our applesauce in here, vanilla extract, and our peanut butter. We got some organic peanut butter we like. It's the nice creamy kind. You can use the nutty kind, but it's not gonna mix up quite as well. We got our baking powder, not baking soda, and our salt. That's it for this portion. We're gonna heat up our chocolate in a minute. I'm pretty excited about. We're using carrot chips. Lauren likes them a lot.
A couple of my favorite desserts combine chocolate and peanut butter. I love a good Reese's, but sometimes I don't feel so great after that. So what I actually found was a great alternative to, traditional milk chocolate. It's called carob chips. So that's what we'll be using in this recipe, as well as cocoa powder, which is also vegan.
You can add in more peanut butter at this step if you like. I knew I grew up in a peanut butter household and can eat it by the jar, no problem. You can use a smaller or more narrow dish if you want your brownies to be thicker. You might need to cook a few minutes longer though. Using fresh oranges really steps this berry compote up, opposed to store-bought. The smell should be amazing with this. I'll save this compote for other random stuff we cook, like for a topping on my waffles or pancakes for instance. In the Coast Guard, sometimes we'd hold ice cream socials on our mess deck and essentially put together every ice cream topping known to mankind for people to slide down their gullets. The sugar rush would last for days. It was incredible. If you have a bigger blender, just do the full recipe amount at once. I still can't believe this simple concoction makes such bomb ice cream without dairy. It's nuts. It is best to pulse blend this mixture. You don't want to over blend it or hurt your blade since there isn't much liquid to help. Help me out and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more weekly recipes. If you do, I'll be your best friend for life. The ice cream is pretty soft right out of the blender, but it tastes so good this way, in my opinion. You can also freeze it for the more solid traditional feel. I recommend just microwave it for 30 seconds if it becomes rock solid, No treat is worth losing a tooth over.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to Hellman's Kitchen.